Here are some suggestions that I have for applying deer deterrent. The most important is to start before you get the deer already eating, because they form a habit if you don't start right away. If you have not done that, it doesn't mean it's not going to work, but I have a few products that I would suggest. All three of them do not wash off when it rains and only need to be reapplied to new growth, because that new growth will not have the deterrent on it. The three that I like are Bobbex, B-O-B-B-E-X, you can only get it online, Deer Out, not Deer Stop, and Deer Defeat. What I like to do at my house is alternate the different products because they have different scents, and I believe that that tends to confuse the deer.